Let's have a look at this trading 212 pie. It's called The Only Three You Need. And with a title like that, let's see if it's actually the only three you need. Now, obviously, none of these videos are financial advice. I'm just having a look at these pies on Trading 212 and just giving my 2 cents on this. So this pie is called The Only Three You Need, and it's actually just 3 ETFs, which in my opinion, ETFs can be quite sensible. Not all ETFs, however, are going to be good investment. So the fund invests into 3 ETFs. The first is the VUAG, which is the S&P 500 by Vanguard, and this is an accumulating version, meaning that the dividends are, reinvested automatically back into the fund. The second is the Nasdaq 100, the EQQQ. I have invested into that before, and I believe that is a distributing version of the fund. And we also have the Vanguard FTSE All World, the VWRP. Now, immediately the thing that comes into mind is that this is incredibly highly weighted towards the US. The VWRP is a global fund with a 62% weighting towards the US, and then on top of that we have the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, which have a lot of overlap. So this is about 70 to 80% US with a very small, sprinkling of companies across the world. So essentially, if the US does well, this pie will also do well. Again, it's up to you if you want to invest heavily into the US, or why not just get an S&P 500 fund, which will be doing a very similar job with the arrangement of this pie. If you would like to sign up to Trading 212 and receive a free fractional share worth up to £100, all you have to do is to go into the promo code section of the Trading 212 app and just enter my code JUBAIR.